Hi students, welcome to our channel JEE Maths by Essensor. Today we are going to discuss about the application to the problems of maxima and minima without using calculus. Application to the problems of maxima minima without using calculus. This is also important for the JEE. How the questions will be? Look at the board. Find the greatest value of x cube by power 4. Find the greatest value of x cube by power 4 if 2x plus 3y is equal to 7, provided x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. Students, generally we know that the inequalities, the famous inequality, everyone knows that arithmetic mean greater than or equal to geometric mean greater than or equal to harmonic mean. That is A greater than or equal to G greater than or equal to H. And one more thing, to solve such kind of questions, everyone knows that, and you should know that. For example, x greater than or equal to A, x less than or equal to B, inequalities. What is the meaning of x greater than or equal to A? Means here this is the minimum value of x. A and greater means A and more than A. That means obviously the minimum value is A. That means A is the minimum value. And x less than or equal to B. That means what? B. This is the number line. This is B. And below B, before B. That means what? This will be the maximum value. One should know about this. X greater than or equal to A means A is the minimum value. X less than or equal to B means B is the maximum value. And to solve inequality, we know that A greater than or equal to G greater than or equal to H. Arithmetic mean greater than or equal to geometric mean greater than or equal to H. For example, if we take n positive quantities A1, A2, A3, so on up to An, what is arithmetic mean? The sum of all quantities by total number of quantities. The sum of all quantities by total number of quantities. If we take A1, I didn't start the problem, just I am explaining the concept before this problem. A3 so up to An. What is arithmetic mean? Denoted by capital A. The sum of all quantities by total number of quantities. That means A is equal to A1 plus A2 plus so on up to An by n. This is arithmetic mean. Geometric mean is what? The nth root of product of those n quantities. That means nth root of A1, A2, so on to An. Harmonic mean is what? Denoted by H. N by total number of quantities by the sum of the reciprocals of those quantities. That is 1 by A1 plus 1 by A2 plus so on up to 1 by An. These are for those n quantities. This is arithmetic mean, this is geometric mean, and this is the harmonic mean. From these three, we have a relation among these three. That is arithmetic mean greater than or equal to geometric mean greater than or equal to harmonic mean. And of course, equality holds good when all the quantities are same. A equal to G equal to H when A1 is equal to A2 is equal to An is equal to A3 equal to so on to A. This is a brief account on inequality. Yeah. Now boys and girls, my dear students, let us go for this. Find the greatest value of x cube y power 4 if 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. See, this is the condition given. This is the condition given. Using this condition, we have to find the value of x cube y power 4. How? If you take 2x as one term, 3y as one term, since the value given as sum, if we apply AMGM, we don't get the answer. That means we don't get the value of this. Using only x is given, only y is given, but here they ask to find out x cube y power 4. For that purpose, you just take the given condition, that is called as subject to given condition. What is given? 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. I write 2x as 3 times of 2x by 3. That means multiplying and dividing with 3. 3 into 2x by 3. Similarly, 4 into 3y by 4 is equal to 7. Both are same. You may ask, why you are multiplying and dividing by 3 for 2x and 4 for 3y? That means that is the power of x and y. Since 3 is the power of x, I multiply and divide. That is the logic here. Since 4 is the power of y, and for y term, I should multiply and divide with 4. Now these two are same. After this, you write this is 3 times of 2x plus 3. That means this will be what? 2x plus 3 plus 2x plus 3 plus 2x plus 3. Now, this is 3y by 4. 4 times is there. That means 4a means what? A plus a plus a plus a up to 4 times. Similarly, I write this as 3y by 4. 3y by 4. 3y by 4 plus 3y by 4 is equal to 7. You understand? Now, how many terms are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 terms are there. Total, I have extracted 2x plus 3y into 7 terms. Because we should know the value of x cube by power 4, the maximum. After writing these into 7 terms, now we apply AMGM. That is why before going to start this problem, only I explained about that AM greater than or equal to GM greater than or equal to HM. Now apply for this. AM greater than or equal to GM. What is AM? I will write here. What is AM? The sum of all quantities. See, the sum of all quantities. That means this 2x, all these 1 plus 2, 7. Nothing but this only, na? Nothing but this. This is same as this one. Sum of all quantities. Nothing but 2x plus 3y by total number of quantities AM. Sum of all by 7. See, again telling my dear students, this plus this plus this, nothing but 2x. 3y by 4 plus 3y by 4 plus 3y by 4 plus 3y by 4. Instead of writing all the terms, directly I have written 2x plus 3y. Nothing is there. Now AM, total sum of 7 by number 7. Greater than or equal to GM. 7 quantities are there. 7th root of those. What those? 2x by 3. How many times? Into. That means whole cube. Similarly, 3y by 4 whole cube. Now, still I write this as 2x plus 3y by 7 greater than or equal to 7th root of, this is 2 cube, first I write constants, by 3 cube into, this is power 4, na? Since 4 times is there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 power 4 by 4 power 4 into x cube by power 4. Now, what is 2x plus 3y? In the question given 7. That means this is 7 by 7 greater than or equal to 7th root of 3 power 4 by 3 means 3 cube means this is 3. These two, 3 power by 3. Now 2 cube 8. 4 power 4 256. 2 cube 8, 4 power 4 256, 8 by 256 32. 8 by 256 32 into x cube y power 4 is there. Now since 7th root is there, of course value is 1. That means 1 greater than or equal to 7th root of 3 by 32 x cube y power 4. Now power 7 on both sides. Anyway, both are positive quantities. Nothing inequality will not change. Power 7 on both sides. 1 greater than or equal to, because 1 power 7 is 1 only. 3 by 32 x cube by power 4 implies 32 by 3 greater than or equal to x cube by power 4 implies x cube by power 4 less than or equal to 32 by 3. Now before I told x less than or equal to a means a is the greatest value. X cube by power 4 less than or equal to 32 means here 32 by 3 will be the greatest value. Will be the greatest value. This is the way to find out either greatest or least, either maximum or minimum without going or without using any derivative or without using calculus, only using inequalities. It is a very important model, but easy. The thing is here, you just see the powers of x and y and convert the given condition into those powers. That means here since power is 3, you just multiply and divide by 3. Since the power is 4 for y, you just multiply and divide by 4 and split into that many terms. Here 3 like 3 terms. Here 4 terms. After that we apply a n greater than or equal to gn. Okay students?